Model, 2013 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC 2.0 DCI long wheelbase, van Euro 5 excellent runner gearbox issue. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 140257. MOT, 29 February 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 ECOBLUE 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox crunches in 5th and 6th gear, minor faults still drives perfect, will need repairing or replacing. Easy job for the right person. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU